Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent H. Pala on Tuesday admitted the mass exodus of legislators from the party in Meghalaya after he took over the presidency of the party has caused him setbacks. The 3 times member of parliament from Shillong parliamentary seat, Vincent H. Pala, was defeated by the Voice of the People party candidate Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkan in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Stating that the party should be revamped in Garo Hills, Pala said not enough time is found to revamp it in Khasi Jantia Hills. He said after the Lok Sabha elections, the party will groom young leaders in the state.
To groom a leader, it takes time. When Mukul left with the MLAs, 12 MLAs, they took along all the party workers. When the 5 MLAs, when they took all the workers, it takes time. So, but sometimes I think I've seen in Garoils, everybody left. We got the opportunity to revamp the party. So here also, I think now everybody left. I think Manuel is the best example of all. And I'm very confident that the mandate for the MP is normally not the same for the MLA, it's not the same for MDC.